Hello everyone and welcome back to YouTube channel Ashu Talks. So there is a very good news from Accenture that Accenture sent new joining date. So the 26th September is a new joining date from Accenture side. So it is a very good news for all of the candidates. So we will talk about details in this video like interview dates 8th, 9th and July. So if you have given interview on 8th, 9th or 10th of July, you will have received your interview result. And what about remaining interview result and task notification? And if you want to change the location, how you can do it, we will talk about everything in details. So keep watching this video till the end. Also, I will give you A to Z update regarding each and every company. Okay, so our channel will be so much helpful for you. So you can subscribe our YouTube channel as well as you can join our Telegram channel, because in this discussion groups also, okay, I give updates regularly. So subscribe to a channel, all the links will be in this description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. First of all, we will talk about joining date. Okay, so I will show you the mail, okay, with proofs. Okay, so first of all, you can see the first proof like gear up for day one at Accenture Kolkata, 26th of September 2023. Okay, so in this mail only you will get to know about the joining location and joining date only. Okay, so here you can see 26 September is the joining date and Kolkata is joining location. Okay, so in Accenture sended may joining location of multiple locations like Kolkata, Bangalore. Okay, Pune also, some got Pune also. Okay, but mostly Bangalore is there in a high amount. Okay, so last night one of the candidates received onboarding. Okay, so here you can see onboarding.document.ase. Okay, from this mail ID you will get joining related mail. Okay, from like this. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, uh, dear candidate, we are pleased to extend you to the opportunity to join Accenture on 26th of September. Okay, so on 26th of September, there is a joining, and if you want to change your location, you can reply to this mail only. Okay, you can reply to this mail, and you can write a letter for joining. Okay, like joining preference. Okay, so here you can see if your joining location is Kolkata and if you want Bangalore, so simply you have to reply to this mail that you want to change your joining location. So for 1 month your joining will be delayed, and after that you will get different joining location. Okay, so you can try for it obviously. Okay, and here you can see some people got Bangalore location also. I have shown you for Kolkata location also, and now here you can see, dear candidate, we are pleased to extend to you the opportunity to join the Accenture. As you kickstart your career at Accenture, we will be your point of contact, will support you in the smooth transition. Okay, and you will soon receive communication from us about joining formalities. So all the joining formality details will be sent to you by mail. Okay, so here you can see you will get all the details, and your original PAN card is mandatory for your onboarding process. So keep this thing in mind. Now talking about date. Okay, so we will talk about date and full everything. Okay, so first of all, you can see, okay, the role for which joining they got joining on 26 September is SA role. Okay, system associate, and okay, you know SA role. Okay, for that, and interview date was 8th of July. So the interview date was 8 July, and task mail 14 July. So gave interview on 8th of July, and task mail they received on 14th of July. After that, task got verified on 29th of July. After that, they receive offer letter on 4th of August. Okay, so after all tasks verified in 4 5 days only, they receive offer letter. After that, they receive countdown mail on 7th of August, and after that, 28th of August, they got date of joining mail. That 28th of August, they got date of joining mail, and their joining date is 26th of September. So this is full timeline as you can see on the screen. Okay, for system application and service associate, interview date was 8 July, and they received joining on 28th of August. Okay, so this is the full data. Okay, I share each and every detail with you on our YouTube channel. So please consider subscribing our YouTube channel, and I made regularly videos regarding every update about Accenture. Okay, so this will be so much helpful for you. Okay, so this is the joining dates, and I have told you about location preference also. Okay, like 8th, 9th and 10th of July, they have given interview and their results are out. They have received joining also, and the joining date is 26 September, and they got multiple joining location different. Okay, now, okay, talking about if you want to change location, if you want to change the location, you will get this kind of mail. on this kind of mail you have to reply, okay, regarding your location preference, and you can say that I want to change my location preference, okay. So you can write a mail like that only, okay. And it will definitely depend on their business requirement. If they have business requirement at that particular location, they will give you joining there, okay. If they don't have any business requirement, they uh, won't be able to change your location, okay. So keep this thing in mind, okay. So this will be everything, okay. I hope you understood each and everything. If you like this video, if you find this video informative, definitely give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So guys, thank you for watching this YouTube video till the end.